Hi, beloveds. Have you ever wondered why you have not been able to get your side hustle to be as profitable as you hoped? So here's what to do to accelerate your side hustle success. Now, I started my very first side hustle when I was in high school. During that time, I had two side hustles. One of them was selling things to the people I went to school with. And then when I went to college, I continued one of those hustles, and I sold services to the girls in my dorm. When I finished college, I started a new side hustle, providing career advice and resume help to others, purely 100% word of mouth. I did all of that while working full-time, first in the private sector and then in the federal government. So I've always had more than one job, and I've always had, a side hustle. And so I've also always had more than one stream of income. Now, the biggest mistake people with side hustles make when trying to grow and be successful is that they work on their side hustle at the wrong time. If you have a day job that pays your bills, that's great. This day job should be your priority because it's your bread and butter. Now, what most people with side hustles do is work at their day job first and then on their side hustle second. Although your day job must be your priority, that is not the same thing as saying you should do that first. So, if you have a side hustle you're looking to grow, one of the best things you can do to accelerate your success for your side hustle is to work on your side hustle first. Now, I'll give you two examples of what I mean. Let's say your day job is Monday through Friday. In many cultures, you'll find that Sunday, not Monday, is considered to be the first day of the week. That said, do the bulk of your hustle work on Sunday. Do that work first before you dive into your day job work for the rest of the week. Instead of doing 2 to 4 hours of side hustle work every day of the week, dedicate a full work day to your hustle before the start of your work week. You'll still get the same number of work hours in, except it will be more focused and better quality. Here's another example. Regardless of which days of the week you work your day job, let's say if you start that day job work at 9 a.m. each morning, do your side hustle before you start at 9 a.m. So how? Well, adjust your sleep schedule so you wake up earlier. For example, you can wake up at 5:30 a.m. or 6 a.m. Yeah, I know that's early, I know that. And this way you can get a full solid 1 to 3 hours of focused side hustle work. Now keep in mind that a powerful, focused 1 to 3 hours, of work is a better return on your time than working on your side hustle for 1 to 4 hours when you get home from work, when your mental energy is already spent, when you're tired and not able to focus because of distractions, laundry, noise, and everything else that comes with your environment and energy level after a long day of work. This may seem simple, and it is. It's simple but not easy per se. It's also very powerful. Now, the thought of waking up earlier or dedicating a full day to your side hustle instead of sprinkling it out, through your week may or may not sit well with you. But ask yourself, how bad do you want to reach your goals? Do you want to cut down the time it takes to reach your goals by at least half? If you're not willing to do something big and different, then your situation will stay the same. Don't expect a big change in your situation without a big change in your actions, okay? This is what I mean by keeping up with our career wellness. The right mindset impacts our spirit. Our spirit wants to be joyful and aligned with our values. It's important that we do work that brings us joy. It's important that we don't work harder than we have to, so that we have time to do other things that make life worth living. Being with people who help us, enjoy life more. So if you would like support in prioritizing your career wellness and overcoming career obstacles, just private message me and I'll help you schedule a spiritual career direction wellness visit with me. All right, see you soon. Bye-bye.